So the CDF General Kainerugaba Muhoozi has said that in 2026 they are going to remove the Anti-Homosexuality Act. That is something that General Muhoozi has just promised to do. Muhoozi via Hex said in 2026 we shall remove this Anti-Homosexuality Act. They are sick people, but since the Creator made them, what do? Even Chiboko might not work, we shall pray for them. So Muhoozi is saying we are going to give the freedom for Ugandans to have same-sex, or maybe probably go ahead with same-sex marriage and do everything homosexual. He said these people are sick people, but then he said even beating them will not help. Now he resorts into prayers. This is another shocking tweet that has just come in from a man holding one of the most important office in the country. Well, yesterday, Jar Fire.
Warning, warning, warning. This, look at the way I'm dressed. International, this is the flag of the Rastafari. But we have this whole heap of people, LGBT community. They are trying to abuse the flag of Rastafari. This is rainbow flag. This is rainbow flag. Internationally, this is the flag of the Rastaman. The Gimara going to live Acholi. Un lo meng mo cha ko tim mo tim tal cho vur ke cho lo wor ki tiu ko flak parasta ni u gwa ku wana bi bol Batoro te ke ti am ti flak parasta yo maraj a goro logo bien ka pe bi muare ko eno vonyo pere bien wa nyang ni ka yeti ke ala ma parasta ni che ti mobal ya gi kana ke bi wa Rastafari ti amir daru nge kagalu alama maru ke komane man alama parasta wilo bokolo unana mabe man ina alama ne ke kwani ke danyo man kala pa danyo maru gini chiki war madit man pe kala pa gay man pe kala pa cho ma burke cho lu wodki man pe kala pa mon ma burke mon lu wodki man kala pa rasta wilo bokolo amira jabu ngue kar cha ber ka ter loka LGBT community ne jo ene merti ke flag pa rasta me bon dano che jabu ngu man, I look my children, my time I phone you about the issue of the Rastafari flag. Yeah, man, me have to send a strong warning to the youth them. Me have to send a strong warning to the LGBT community. Watch out, you know. Fire burn! Fire burn! A batty boy business, we are go burn it. Batty boy business, we now want it in Africa. Stop the batty boy business. We need batty boy in Africa. Ogokwi umateka Pewa miero gineoni. Cho mama vurki cho le word gilo Africa. Wadegi. Ucho antali lo Europe. Last year. Rastafari.
Sent terrible fire. A warning to those the LGBT community who are using the rainbow as their symbol. Well, we all know currently the United Nations has adopted the rainbow color. If you see musicians or artists wearing rainbow clothes, most of them don't wear for nothing. It's only a few of them who are ignorant, who don't know the shoes, the bandana, the t-shirts, the trousers. If you see somebody who is consistently using the rainbow lace, United Nations organize it as a symbol for gay, that is the homosexuals. But then Jar Fire is saying this initially is the symbol, is the color of the Rastafarian, and this is something which it is a terrible thing that we need to know. But on clarification, Rastafarian's color is red, yellow, green, and black, which means it's not a rainbow color. So those guys of homosexuality, their color is separate from the color of the Rastafarians, unless someone is colorblind. Strictly repeat red, yellow, green, and black. So that is the development about homosexuality in the last 24 hours in Uganda. Well, Uganda's Anti-Homosexuality Act, enacted in May 2023, imposes severe penalty for same-sex activity, including life imprisonment for consensual same-sex and the death penalty for aggravated same-sex. According to the human rights, they say the law has led to increased human rights violation against the LGBT community, with reports of arbitrary eviction and assault. But we all know that majority Uganda, maybe even 95%, support the act, because most Uganda, that homosexuality has not yet deeply penetrated the society, or the society's mind has not yet shifted support. Even the traditional lifestyle of most of the what is called the African value does. But then there has been a numerous international reaction regarding and act. But still to come, Chile ITV. If you're subscribed here, you will be one of the first to get news that you may wonder, is it true or not? But later on, you'll confirm that it's something which is true. Be fast, subscribe.